If you clicked on this video, chances are you're interested in creating your own content on your next cruise, or maybe you just want a little more insight on what equipment we use. So in this video, I'm going to answer the #1 question that I receive in Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, email, and that is, what type of camera should I buy for my cruise? But truthfully, to answer that, we're going to have to break this up into 3 categories. It's going to be low investment, middle investment, and high investment. I hope breaking these up into certain categories will give you guys a better understanding and help you navigate to the decision that's right for you and your budget. Does that sound fair? Low investment. This is going to be like free to $399. Yes, I said free. Believe it or not, many of the phones in 2019 have the ability to shoot stunning cinematic 4K. If you don't believe me, here's a small clip from Parker Walbeck. This is shot with an iPhone XS Max with a Movi FreeFly stabilizer. Together, it's clear you can get some stunning footage of your vacation. Now, what I would suggest you to do is actually look up your phone and see what its capabilities are. Go to YouTube, type in your phone plus cinematic footage to get an idea of what it's actually capable of. Remember, there's a reason why they say the best camera is the one that you have with you. You'd be surprised on what your phone can do. If you're looking for an all-around camera that will allow you to be more versatile, decent audio, clear visuals, and shoots that 4K we talked about, I like the GoPro Hero 7. We use the GoPro 7 anytime we cruise. We mount it on ATVs, we put it on boats, we put it on our helmets, we put it on our chest. It's an action-packed camera for a reason. I highly recommend it. Also, with its ability to take great photos underwater, like these two 50-50 shots, you can really start to express yourself artistically, which I think is really, really cool. And for just $349, it's an absolute steal. But if you still want to save more, try searching on eBay in the used category, because you won't believe some of the prices sometimes. Now, I know some people don't like shopping used, but technically if they open up the package and they don't like the GoPro and they send it back to eBay, eBay has to consider that a used item, which means that could be a little bit of savings in your pocket for you. So keep that in mind as well. You can also look into the DJI Osmo Pocket. With its ability to stabilize footage while walking around makes it an absolute game changer. So if you absolutely hate shaky footage and you want something smooth when you're walking around on the Lido, I would probably recommend this one. However, there has been concern about its audio quality, so you'd have to make a decision there if you're just going to overlay music or voiceover. So this one would be really, really good for ship tours, stuff like that. Let's move on to the middle investment. This is going to be like $599 to $999. And now you see why I broke it up into 3, low, middle, high. Point and shoot cameras are a great way for you to get your point across, whether that's a family vacation or actually telling a story. Its ability to focus on the subject really, really quick, snap a photo, take 4K footage, and just upload it to YouTube is pretty impressive. But it's going to come at a pretty penny as well. The Canon G7X Mark II is a great example of this. It's decent in low light, autofocus is great, but we upgraded our G7X to a Canon M50, which brings me to my next recommendation, the Canon M50. Truthfully, if you want a great point and shoot camera that's reasonably priced, great in low light situations like dinner in the main dining room, you may want to look at purchasing the Canon M50. Incredible autofocus that knows how to highlight the subject and blur that background. This camera is pretty good. Also, if you take a look at some of your favorite cruise creators, you'll see that they actually have that camera as well. So there's a reason why we bought it. Pretty good. Checks all the boxes for us. It's one of Alyssa's go-to vlogging cameras. She absolutely loves it. Now, if you're not a fan of Canon, you can always explore Sony. Sony has an excellent options with the RX100 series. Heard nothing but phenomenal things. Personally, if we weren't so invested in Canon already, this is probably where we would have started originally. But that's a long story for another time in another video. But the real question is anyone using Fuji and Nikon? This is an excellent opportunity for you guys to hop in and make some recommendations as well. I'm not well versed in those two systems. Please let me know what your thoughts are. You'll be surprised who you might actually help. Anyways, if you'd like to see what equipment Alyssa and I use for our channel on a daily basis, that's our vlogs, that's what we shoot in the sky, what we shoot on deck, low light situations, please give this video a thumbs up. That'll give us an idea if we really need to put that video out or not. I hope you guys found this information valuable. I hope it brought a little bit of value to just someone and helps guide you in the right direction of what you're about to purchase. Now, I didn't touch on the high investment on purpose because personally, if you're going to go on a 7-day cruise and you're going to spend over $1,000 on a camera, I would suggest you renting it first, because you never know if you're even going to like the camera. Come home, edit the footage. I think you see where I'm going with this. But nonetheless, if you want to see high investment, please let me know. Write a comment in the comment section below. As always, if you have any questions, we're more than happy to answer. And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe. And if you care, please share. We'll see you guys in paradise next time.